how to change your Instagram account to a professional account. If you have a public personal account, I'm going to show you how to change it to a business account or a creator account. So in order to do that, tap on your hamburger menu to open settings. Scroll down all the way until you find account types and tools for professionals. Tap on it and you'll see an option to switch to professional account. Tap on continue. From here, you can choose a type of account you want to have. It could be anything. For now, I'm just going to choose photographer and tap on done. If you want this to display on your profile, you can toggle this on and tap on done. And once you do this, you have an option to choose whether to create a business or a creator account. Right now, I'm just gonna choose the creator account right here. Tap on next, and you can share your login info on your account center. If you want to do that, you can continue. For now, I'm just gonna skip it. And here are different steps that you can complete to complete your professional account profile. So once you do that, as you can see, now I have a professional dashboard. So this means I now have a professional account. So let's check. If I go here for professional, I can see creator tools and controls. That means my account now has been changed to a creator account. I hope this was helpful and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.